Student, today we are discuss about to beta elimination reaction यानी elimination reaction. Previous lecture we are discuss about to substitution nucleophilic reactions SN2 and SN1 and their mechanism. Today we are discuss about elimination reaction. Elimination reactions. Elimination reaction. Here also called dehydrohalogenation. Also called dehydrogenation. Look at this example. Like C carbon, next carbon, this functional group and this structure. In the this compound is the haloalkanes. This compound is haloalkanes. In the presence of any base, when lone pair electron, this one is the presence of hydrogen. First of all, functional group attached in this carbon are called alpha carbon, and this carbon connected other hydrogen, this is called alpha hydrogen, and functional group connected to this carbon called alpha carbon, and next adjacent carbon are beta carbons. जिस कार्बन पे कोई भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप यानी हेलो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है, उस कार्बन को हम अल्फा कार्बन कहेंगे, और उससे दूसरा कार्बन जो कनेक्ट होगा उस कार्बन को हम बीटा कार्बन कहेंगे. एंड दिस कार्बन आर कनेक्टेड टू हाइड्रोजन, रिमूवल हाइड्रोजन. दिस कार्बन आर कनेक्टेड टू रिमूवल हाइड्रोजन. जिस हाइड्रोजन ने इससे रिमूव होना है उस हाइड्रोजन को हम यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं? बीटा हाइड्रोजन. उस हाइड्रोजन को हम बोलते हैं बीटा हाइड्रोजन. These reactions are called beta elimination reaction. This reaction are called beta elimination reaction because the hydrogen atom present at beta position hydrogen present are beta position of haloalkanes. This reaction are called beta elimination reaction because the hydrogen atom present at the beta position of haloalkanes. And focus on these equations. Look at this. Why are called this equation beta elimination equation? Because this reaction are called beta elimination reaction because the hydrogen atom present at the beta position of haloalkanes. Look at this. This carbon connected by functional group halo groups, and this halo groups connected, those carbon are connected by halogen groups. This carbon also called alpha carbon, and adjacent next carbon are called beta carbon, and removable hydrogen are called beta hydrogen. And base, in the presence of any base, base removal of those hydrogen. Look at this, base removal of those hydrogen. So we get byproduct, base and hydrogen. Clear? Base removal this hydrogen, so we get byproduct base, and this carbon and halogen, the bond breakdown between carbon and halogen. The bond breakdown between carbon and halogen. तो halogen are removal, halogen यानी X are removal, and those lone pair electrons formation of bond. The formation of bond, this carbon and this carbon, and one lone pair electrons and one lone pair electron, formation of pi bond. This is called alkanes या ethenes या alkene. Look at this for example, CBr, CH, H and H. Student, look at this. In the presence of base KOH, alcoholic base, this one called alcoholic base, or in the presence of heat, when this one is alpha carbon because functional group connected on, and second adjacent carbon are beta carbon, and removable hydrogen also called beta hydrogen. When K positive or OH negative, OH negative alcoholic group are connected to hydrogen, then the byproduct are water, byproduct plus H2O. Clear? And this compound carbon and Br bond breakdown. So this, because Br more electronegative than carbon, halo groups are more electronegative than carbon, so one pair of electron move toward to Br. जब हम लोग जानते हैं यहाँ पे जो कार्बन और ब्रोमाइड है, यहाँ पे तो कार्बन और ब्रोमाइड के बीच में जो बॉन्ड बना हुआ है ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड, क्योंकि ब्रोमाइड ये हेलो है, हेलो ग्रुप्स क्या होता है, मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव होता है कंपेयर देन किसके, कार्बन के, इसलिए दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ ही क्या करता है, अट्रैक्ट कर लेता है। और जब ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट कर लेता है तो बी आर नेगेटिव, यानी बी आर जो नेगेटिव है और एक के एच पॉजिटिव है, ये आपस में एक बाई प्रोडक्ट बना लेते हैं के बी आर। अब फाइनली हमारे पास जो प्रोडक्ट बचा है, फाइनली वी गॉट प्रोडक्ट। नाउ दिस लोन पेयर एंड दिस लोन पेयर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉन्ड, यानी C double bond C double bond we got CH3 CH2 ethane. This is known as ethane. So this reaction are also called beta elimination reaction. This one, student, look at this. This one X is the living group. X is living group. And B base. The elimination reaction dehydrogen halogenation, also called dehydrogen halogenation, because dehydrogen halogenation, because the removal of hydrogen and halo groups. This is also called dehydrohalogenation. So look at this. This one carbon and next carbon connected, and this carbon atom directly connected to the functional group. The functional group connected those carbons are called alpha carbon, and next adjacent carbon also called beta carbon, and related hydrogen are called beta hydrogen. Clear? So when base directly removal of base, removal hydrogen, the byproduct base and hydrogen, then bond break down between carbon and halogen. So we get X is the leaving group.